easy way to view reports in Operations Center is to use the Analyze function. Select Tools from the top left-hand corner and select the Analyze icon. Analyze will default to a seeding report for the current year. We can see we're currently set up for 2020 corn seeding. On the left side, we can see we are currently selected to view information by fields. We can see the boundary and the name of each field, how many varieties was planted in each field. One variety was planted in Tilley's 89, 2 varieties was planted in Russell 86 barn. We can see the number of area that was seeded, the average seeding rate, total seeds applied, target rate, target total, average planting seed, along with last seeded date. If there was replant in a field, replant would be the date used by last seeded. We can scroll down and see all the fields in the report. Then we'll have a total or an average at the very bottom that represents total acres, total average rate, and so on. If I would like to break the report down a little bit more, I have the ability to click on any of the columns and sort based on that column. Fields will be sorted by field name in alphanumeric order. I can sort by area seeded. I can sort by average planted rate. I can sort by planting speed, or probably the most valuable, sort by last seeded date. Currently, we are set up with last seeded fields at the top of the page. Select last seeded again to begin with earliest planted fields on top. If I would like to print this report, simply go to Export in the top right-hand corner, and you can either open up a PDF to print or download the information into Excel. If you would like to break the report down a little bit further, you can click on a field and it will show the varieties that were planted in the field with information on each variety more specifically. To go back, select the arrow in the top left corner. We also have the ability to look at the list and sort it by variety instead of field. Now I can see every variety that was planted, see how many fields it was planted in. If I select a variety, it will tell me what fields it was planted in and how much was planted and the information within each field. Can also determine the number of acres planted of each variety. If I go back to fields, I can also use the filters to sort my report a little bit easier if I want to dig a little deeper. An example may be trying to determine replant information. Select the filter and we could potentially sort by date range. If we knew all of our replanting occurred in June and all of the first planting was done in May, I could select simply June 1st through the end of June. Select Done, then we can see all of the information that was planted in the month of June. We see each field, the variety, how many acres was planted in each field, also date. So I can see I planted or replanted a total of 36.7 acres at an average rate of 29,000. If you wish to clear the filters, simply come back in, select Custom, put new date in, or hit Clear All, then select Done. We also have the ability to filter by client, farm, or field if we only wanted to look at the information for one specific farm, or I could select multiple farms out of the list. and rerun the report. If desired, change crop type or select all crop types if you would like to review a report for both crops.